Connect with power supply and sanitize the probe. Wipe the treatment area with hot towel. Apply gel evenly on the treatment area. Adjust energy from 3 to 8. Adjust working time. The device enters auto-off mode when time's up. Press to start. Red light turns on when the device is on. Higher energy level, stronger vibration, and better result. Move the probe evenly in small circles on the fat part of the arm. Move back and forth for 3 times. Slide back and forth on the treatment area and then to the underarm 3 times. Press to pause when you finish. Clean the probe with tissue and place it back. Scrape off the remaining gel. Clean the treated area with a hot towel. Wipe the treatment area with a hot towel. Apply gel evenly on the treatment area. Adjust energy from 5 to 9. Adjust working time. Press to start. Move the probe evenly in small circles on fat part of the arm. Move back and forth for 3 times. Slide vertically back and forth on the fat part of the abdomen and then to the groin 3 to 5 times. Slide horizontally back and forth on love handles 5 to 8 times. Press to pause when you finish. Clean the probe with tissue and place it back. Scrape off the remaining gel. Clean the treated area with hot towel. Wipe the treatment area with hot towel. Apply gel evenly on the treatment area. Adjust energy from 5 to 9. Adjust working time. Press to start. Move the probe evenly in small circles on the fat part of the leg. Move back and forth for 3 times. Focus on thigh if there's not enough fat on your calf. Slide vertically back and forth on the fat part of the leg and then to the groin 3 to 5 times. Lift horizontally on the fat part of the leg 5 to 8 times. Press to pause when you finish. Clean the probe with tissue and place it back. Scrape off the remaining gel. Clean with hot towel. Sanitize the probe and put it back onto the main machine.